right, thank you for joining. Today I wanted to go ahead and review Starknet, STRK, USDT on the Bybit chart. Now I chose this project to review because since it had such a massive launch, I think it launched with over a valuation of $1 billion in terms of the market cap. So one of the biggest launches ever in crypto history. And since then, this project has, underperformed, right? So before we had this massive sell-off, you can say that it was holding a very strong range, right? Never really dipped below this low, which was made right after launch, and it just stayed within this range. So now there is a massive sell side to the sell side imbalance, right? And you can see we have clearly broken out of this range. So what I have pulled was a bunch of fixed range volume profiles, weekly fixed range volume profiles. So you will see here we have the previous week, so last week which just ended, then the week before that, and we just keep going all the way back up until pretty much it launched, right? There might have been enough space here, let's see, to do one more. Was there? Not quite. So it didn't really pull that, but I believe I actually pulled the range of this entire price action since launch. And obviously we are still currently having a selling imbalance, right? So we have deviated outside of this range, and now we are just looking for support. Now we do have a really good support since this is a brand new week. If we go ahead and zoom in a little bit here, you'll actually see that this week just ended, right? Now with that being said, we have the point of control sitting at about $1.43, value area high sitting at about $1.81, and value area low sitting at $1.15. Now the most important level for sure will be this value area high of the previous week, which lines up with the all-time the all-time value area low. And we also had another value area low of this week too as well, right? So this level at around $1.77, 78 cents is the key level to reclaim. And then this project will be looking very bullish in my opinion once again. Decided to keep this trend line active, respected it a few times. I'm sure it will play a role again in the future. Maybe if this line does start to extend all the way to the right, and price action starts to play out, possibly something like this, over time, something like that, right? We'll see. Well, as of right now, what we want to see happen with Starknet, because right now, in my opinion, this is a no buy zone, right? We have a point of control above, right? Historical value. And we also have an historical value right here, the value area low right below. The best area to enter along for sure would be $1.15. The liquidity can be swept, doesn't really have to be, but it can be swept, which will make buying a lot more confident. And then you would then aim for the all-time value area low or the value area high of the current range, which sits currently 34% above the current prices, or 52% from the lows, right? So we're really hoping that $1.15 does get tapped once more. If not, maybe we can go ahead and pull some fibs because we are retracing from this little impulse higher, right? 50% mark, we're there right now. The golden pocket lines up at around $1.27. So that could be an interesting area to long, but there's no other confluence in that area, which is what I don't really like, besides this little horizontal support, right? So there is a little horizontal support lining up right on top of that golden pocket. So that might be a decent area to enter along. Tight stop. If we do lose this level, then for sure we will aim for the value area low and possibly a swing failure of this pivot low right here, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put that SV swing failure pattern, and we could put an alert on that right there, right? So we'll leave that and let that be. So like I said, very straightforward, very quick stream. We are currently in a no buy zone in my opinion. The first area of interest would be $1.27 on the golden pocket and horizontal support, aiming for the value area high. If that level does fail, then I will be aiming to long at around $1.16. A sweep of the swing failure pattern lows would be ideal, then targeting the value area high, which would be 52% away from those lows, right? Very straightforward. Not too much data on this chart, but there is enough to start planning some trades. And with a $1 billion launch in market cap valuation, I think there's something brewing with this company, and more than likely it's going to have a very big impact in the future, in the next coming months, maybe around June, July, when the market starts to come alive one more time. So remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Everything I say is for educational purposes. So thank you for joining. Like and subscribe. Remember to follow me on X, right? Definitely going to start uploading a lot more updates on my chart and on my X account. And just stay tuned. Trade safe, and let's hope that we get the $1.15-16 range to tap, so this way we can enjoy a nice 50% climb in price as long as we get that confirmed market structure change. Take care, and thank you for watching.